Hello, welcome my dear students, and in today's lecture we are going to see the calculation of the formal charge. Okay, calculation of the formal charge, and in our previous lecture we have also seen calculation of the formal charge. In that lesson or in that lecture we have taken the example of what? Ozone. Today we are taking an example of carbonate ion. Okay. Now in this carbonate ion we have to determine the formal charge on carbon. Okay. Now first of all we must know the formula. Formula of the formal charge is Fc, means formal charge equals to V minus L minus half into S. Okay. Now V is the valence electron, L is the lone pair and S is the shared pair of electrons. Okay. Now the carbon, okay, this is the carbon atomic number is 6, okay, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Now first of all we see the valence electron. Okay, these two electrons are in K shell and these two electrons are in, these 4 electrons are in L shell. Okay, so this is valence shell. Okay, and valence shell contains 4 electrons. Okay, valence shell contains 4 electrons. Now we had the value of V. Value of V is 4. Okay, V equals to 4. Now L means what? The number of electrons of lone pair, and that is non-bonding electrons. Now if we are determining the formal charge on carbon, again we will write the electronic configuration. Okay, C6, 1s2, okay, 2s2 and 2p2. Okay. Now these 4 electrons belongs to valence shell. Okay. Now these 2 electron, 1s2 electron, okay, 1s orbital, 1s orbital के इलेक्ट्रॉन कोई काम में नहीं आते हैं. Okay, because this is the first orbit from the nucleus and because of very strong internuclear force of attraction और effective nuclear charge बहुत ज़्यादा होने की वजह से, okay, these electrons pair is not permitted to participate in any process. ये participate नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए हम इसको भूल जाएंगे थोड़ी देर के लिए. तो अब मालूम ये पड़ा हमें, okay, what is, we have no lone pairs. Okay, means here the value of L is 0. Okay, value of L is 0. Now what we have half as it is and we have S. S is what? S is the total number of shared electrons, okay, or we can say bonding electrons. Okay. Now again see the structure. This is the carbon, okay, number of bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 2 electron, 4 electrons, okay, again 2 electron, 6 electrons, again 2 electrons, 8 electrons, means we have the value of S is 8. Now we will put the formula values, we will put the values in the formula. We have 4, okay, formal charge equals to 4 minus 0 minus half into 8. This will be the equation, and calculate the formal charge, and the formal charge will be what? We have formal charge what? 0. Okay, this is 4 and this is half into 8, 4 minus 4, okay, 0. So this is the calculation of the formal charge on carbon in carbonate ion. Okay. Now my dear students, we have calculated the formal charge on the carbon. Now oxygens are remaining, First of all, we see this oxygen. This oxygen is connected to carbon by a double bond. Okay. Now we are calculating the formal charge on the oxygen which is doubly bonded. Okay. Formula is same, whole criteria is same. Okay. Oxygen O8 electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, okay, and 2p4. Now again same concept, okay, K shell and L shell, it is a valence shell. Now we have how many valence electron? We have 4 plus 2, 6 valence electrons. Okay. Now put this value in the formula. Okay. Here I am writing. Okay. See carefully. 6, the valence electrons are 6. Okay. Now what is L? L means the total number of lone pairs. Now how many lone pairs in oxygen? This is one lone pair, and in the 2p4 what we have? 2px, 2py and 2pz. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 means we have the lone pair in 2px. So lone pair of 2s2 and lone pair of 2px. Okay, lone pair of 2s and lone pair of 2px. Now we have how many lone pairs? 2 lone pairs mean 4 electrons. How many electrons? 4 electrons. Okay. Now according to formula, half. Now shared electrons, how many electrons are sharing? Again see the structure, 1 bond means 2 electron, 2 bond means 4 electron. Okay, 4. Now calculate. Okay, 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, and half into 4, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So this is the calculation of the formal charge on double bonded oxygen atom. Now we will see the calculation of formal charge on singly bonded oxygen. Okay, this oxygen or this oxygen, the conditions are same. Okay, this oxygen is singly bonded and this oxygen is also singly bonded. Now we will calculate the formal charge. Okay. Now how we will calculate? The formula is same and the value will be valence electron 6 and the lone pairs 1, 2, 3. 3 pair means 6 electron. Okay, 6 minus half, and the sharing of electron, shared electron is 1 bond means 2 electron. Now we have 2. Okay. Now calculate. Okay, 6 minus 6, 0, and there is the answer is 1. Okay, means the formal charge is 1. Okay, and this formal charge is 1 and oxygen is electronegative atom. Okay, that is why the charge on the oxygen will be negative. Okay, so this is minus 1. So in this way we have calculated the formal charge on oxygen and carbon in the carbonate ion. So this is very simple process. Now what is homework? Homework for you, you have to calculate the formal charge NO2 negative. Okay, नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन दोनों एटम है, दोनों के आपको फॉर्मल चार्ज कैलकुलेट करने हैं. ओके, you can also take hydronium ion H3O positive. Okay, these two are homework. Okay, this is homework for you. Okay, complete your homework and WhatsApp me your homework. I will check you and give you the remarks.